Hello children, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video we are going to discuss 7th class English second unit reading A, that is C.V. Raman, The Pride of India. Here we would like to learn question and answers of this C.V. Raman, The Pride of India lesson. Here, C.V. Raman was the first Indian scholar who studied wholly in India and received the Nobel Prize. He was the first Asian and the first non white to win such a great award in science. Listen to me carefully. Here, we are going to discuss the glossary of the lesson. The very first one is here, lost in thought, which means giving all your attention to something so that you do not notice what is happening around you. Transparent, it is an adjective, which means allowing to see through it. Sophisticated, it is an adjective, which means advanced and capable. Equipment, it is a noun, which means the things that are needed for a particular activity. Modification, it is a noun, which means change. Discovery, it is a noun, which means the process of finding something that was not known about before. Switch over to the continuation of the vocabulary. Here, a red letter day. It is an idiom which means an important day. Surgeon. It is a noun which means a doctor who is trained to perform surgery. Abroad. It is an adverb which means in or to a foreign country. Flag. It is a verb which means decline or become less. Stringed instrument. It is a noun which means any musical instrument with strings, for example, the violin, the sitar, etc. Harmonious. It is an adjective which means very pleasant. Knight. It is a noun which means a man of high social rank, a person with the title. Confine. It is a verb which means to restrict. Now let us discuss question and answers of this C.V. Raman, The Pride of India. Very first question is here. Why C.V. Raman was happy when he learned that Professor Compton had won the Nobel Prize? Answer. Professor Compton was working on X-rays and won the Nobel Prize for his theory. Raman understood that if the Compton effect was true for X-rays, then it must be true for light too. He felt that his assumptions were not baseless and hence he was happy when he learned that Professor Compton had won the Nobel Prize for his discovery of the Compton effect. Second question. What does the Compton effect tell us? Answer. The Compton effect tells us that the nature of X-rays changes when passed through the matter. The change was dependent on the kind of matter. Third question. What was Raman's advice to young scientists? C.V. Raman's advice to young scientists was to look at the world around them and not to confine themselves to their laboratories. He said that the essence of science is independent thinking and hard work, not at all equipment. Fourth one, which paragraph tells us about the ill health of C.V. Raman? Answer. Paragraph number 7 in the lesson tells us about the ill health of C.V. Raman. Fifth one, what was the challenging situation when C.V. Raman started his experiment on light? Answer. When C.V. Raman started his experiment on light, no sophisticated equipment was available in his experiment or in his laboratory. With the available equipments in his laboratory, he could do the discovery by making some modifications in his experiment. With the equipment worth hardly rupees 200 and limited facilities, Raman made the discovery. Sixth one, what was the unseen force working behind Raman for reaching great heights? Answer. The unseen force working behind Raman for reaching great heights was his confidence, dedication, and hard work. In what he tried to discover, his confidence was that he could discover with some modifications in his equipment, and using the limited facilities made him very great. Next one, seventh one. What was Raman effect? Answer. Raman effect was that light changes its nature when passed through a transparent medium. It was his discovery of new radiation describing the behavior of or the behavior a beam of light passing through a liquid chemical. Then it changes whenever it passes through a liquid chemical, it changes the nature of the light. That is called Raman effect. Eighth one, if H. Compton had not invented the Compton effect, do you think Raman would have invented the Raman effect? Give your reasons. Answer. Yes, even if H. Compton had not invented the Compton effect, Raman would have invented the Raman effect because Raman was very optimistic, well confident, and dedicated scientist. He was not a dependent on equipment. He was not at all confined himself to his laboratory. He had independent thinking and was hardworking, make him great heights in his life. Next one, ninth one. In what way was Raman different from the other Indian scientists? Justify your answer. Answer. Other Indians want good and sophisticated equipment to carry out their experiment. They confine themselves to their laboratories. But C.V. Raman was not dependent on any equipment. He had no sophisticated equipment in those days. But he did not confine to himself to his laboratory, unlike others. He was hardworking nature, confident, and had independent thinking and looked at the world around him. That is his nature, that is his attitude. Next one, tenth one. If you were a scientist, what would you like to invent? Answer. If I were a scientist, I would like to invent a car that could run with the energy of sunlight but not with diesel or petrol. So, dear children, hope you understood well C.V. Raman, the pride of India question answers. If you are new to my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay secure, stay healthy.